I need to see you try something for the next 24 hours because what happens inside your legs during that time will shock you. The warmth comes flooding back. The constant tingling finally stops, and your feet remember what it feels like to actually work properly. I've tested and ranked 10 different drinks based on hard science and real results, and the drink that landed at number 1 can widen your arteries by 30%. Let that sink in for a moment. 30% wider arteries means the difference between shuffling nervously to the bathroom at night and walking with genuine confidence. It's the difference between constantly cold, numb feet and legs that function the way they're supposed to. And here's what might surprise you most. This powerful drink is probably already sitting in your kitchen right now, but you've been using it completely wrong. Stay with me because what I'm about to reveal goes against everything your doctor has likely told you, and by the end of this video you'll finally understand why your circulation kept getting worse even though you followed all the expert advice. Let me explain exactly what's happening inside your legs at this very moment. After you hit 60, your blood vessels start producing 70% less nitric oxide. This isn't a small decline. We were talking about 70% less of the master molecule that keeps your arteries relaxed and wide open. Without adequate nitric oxide, your blood vessels literally begin to shrink. They become stiff, they narrow dramatically, and your blood struggles desperately to reach your feet. This goes far beyond just having cold toes. When your circulation drops to dangerous levels, everything in your lower body starts falling apart. Your muscles can't get the oxygen they need. Waste products accumulate in your tissues, nerve damage accelerates at an alarming rate. And here's what terrifies me most about this situation: tiny microclots begin forming inside those narrowed vessels. You can't see them happening, you can't feel them developing, but they're absolutely there, multiplying with each passing day. The medical establishment keeps telling you to take aspirin, move around more, and elevate your legs whenever possible. Sure, those interventions help a little bit, but they're only treating surface symptoms. They're not addressing the root cause of your problem, which is your body's catastrophically collapsing nitric oxide production. And this collapse isn't some inevitable part of aging that you just have to accept. It's completely reversible if you understand the science and take the right action. Here's what changes everything about this situation. Certain drinks can actually force your body to produce nitric oxide again, not through some magical or mystical process, but through basic biochemistry that's been proven in over 3,000 clinical studies. Your body converts specific compounds found in these drinks directly into nitric oxide, and when nitric oxide floods back into your system, your arteries relax within just minutes. This process is called vasodilation, which is the fancy medical term for your blood vessels opening up like wide highways instead of staying clenched shut like blocked alleyways. When this happens, blood flow to your legs can increase by 40 to 60% in a single day. You feel the difference immediately. The constant heaviness lifts away, the painful cramping stops, your feet begin warming up, and over the following weeks, real healing finally begins. New capillaries start forming, nerve function gradually improves, and your risk of falling plummets. But here's where things get critical. Not all circulation drinks are created equal at all. Some are complete scams that waste your money, some work reasonably well but come with dangerous side effects, and a select few are absolute game changers that cost pennies per serving. I've spent 6 months carefully reviewing all the research on this topic, talked extensively with vascular surgeons, and tested these drinks myself. Starting from the bottom, regular water ranks at number 10. Yes, you absolutely need water because dehydration makes your blood thicker and slows circulation. But here's the truth nobody wants to admit: water alone does almost nothing for circulation after 60. Studies show hydration improves blood flow by only 8% in older adults, which isn't nearly enough when you're dealing with 70% nitric oxide loss. Water doesn't contain any nitrate compounds and doesn't trigger vasodilation. You need it to maintain baseline function, but don't expect it to actually fix your circulation problem. Green tea comes in at number 9. Despite all the hype, it only increases flow-mediated dilation by about 12%, and the catechins work slowly over months rather than hours. Plus, the caffeine can actually cause vasoconstriction in some people, which completely defeats the purpose. Tart cherry juice ranks at number 8. It contains anthocyanins that reduce arterial stiffness and improves blood flow by 18% after 12 weeks. But it's loaded with 30 grams of sugar per cup, which spikes insulin and can actually impair circulation in the short term. You're taking 1 step forward and 2 steps back. Pomegranate juice lands at number 7. It's more powerful than cherry juice and contains polycollagens that protect nitric oxide from breaking down too quickly. Studies show it increased blood flow by 22% after 4 weeks, but again, it has even more sugar than tart cherry at 32 grams per cup. And quality pomegranate juice costs $12 to $15 per bottle. Cocoa drinks rank at number 6. Dark chocolate drinks made from real cocoa powder are legitimate circulation boosters. The flavonols in cocoa increase nitric oxide production significantly, improving blood flow by 24% on average, and the effect starts within 2 hours. But you must use pure, unsweetened cocoa powder, not sugar-loaded hot chocolate packets. The ideal dose is 20 to 30 grams of cocoa powder per day mixed with hot water or milk. Watermelon juice comes in at number 5. It's loaded with L-citrulline, an amino acid your body converts directly into nitric oxide. One 16-ounce glass delivers about 1,000 milligrams of low-citrulline. Studies show watermelon juice improved arterial function by 28% after 6 weeks, and people report warm feet within 3 hours of drinking it. The main problem is availability, since fresh watermelon juice is only realistic in summer. Hibiscus tea ranks at number 4. This criminally underrated drink reduced blood pressure by 11 points and improved blood flow by 31% in just 6 weeks. People report results within 10 days with cramping stopping and numbness fading. It's incredibly cheap at $3 for a month's supply. The only downside is it can lower blood pressure significantly, so talk to your doctor if you're already on blood pressure medication. Celery juice takes the number 3 spot. It's absolutely packed with natural nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide. One 16-ounce glass delivers about 250 milligrams of nitrates, enough to increase blood flow by 35 to 40% within 3 hours. The taste is polarizing, salty, and earthy, but if you're serious about fixing your circulation, you'll tolerate it. The Arugula smoothie ranks at number 2. Arugula is the highest natural source of dietary nitrates on the planet. 2 cups contain about 480 milligrams of nitrates. Studies show nitrate-rich leafy greens improve blood flow by 42% after 2 weeks of daily consumption. Blend 2 cups of arugula with 1 cup of blueberries, half a banana, and 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk for a circulation supercharger. And now for number 1, the absolute king of circulation drinks is beetroot juice. Beets contain the highest concentration of dietary nitrates in a drinkable form. One 8-ounce glass delivers approximately 300 to 400 milligrams of nitrates. Your body converts these into nitric oxide with ruthless efficiency, increasing blood flow by 30 to 50% within 2 to 3 hours. A landmark study found that older adults who drank beet juice daily for 15 days showed 45% improvement in leg blood flow, 38% reduction in arterial stiffness, and 22% improvement in walking endurance. Here's exactly how to implement this starting tomorrow. Drink 8 ounces of pure beetroot juice every morning on an empty stomach. This is your foundation. Within 3 days, you'll feel warmer legs. Within a week, the cramping diminishes. Within 2 weeks, you'll notice dramatically improved walking ability. Consistency is absolutely everything. This is a daily habit that costs about $30 a month compared to prescription medications that cost hundreds and come with devastating side effects. This is BioWell Hub reminding you that your body wants to heal and your blood vessels want to work properly, but they need the right raw materials. You're not fighting aging, you're correcting a nutritional deficiency that modern diets created. Commit to drinking beetroot juice every morning for 30 days. Track how you feel, notice the warmth returning. Pay attention to the cramping disappearing, and watch your walking endurance improve. Your circulation won't fix itself, but these drinks are your proven solution. Start tomorrow morning with 8 ounces of beetroot juice on an empty stomach. Your legs, your mobility, and your independence will thank you.